What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, there's definitely a level to where you have to draw the line when it comes to overall predictions that come through, but you still have to understand where they're coming from with certain things. I'm not saying that this is 100% not happening. However, it is a little ridiculous when you say that something can get to a crazy price amount when you know that the market cap would be absolutely insane at that level. And yes, market cap doesn't matter, but to what point do we say numbers, put numbers out here and just go, well, market cap doesn't matter, and we go, well, market cap kind of matters a little bit with that because you still have to apply it to some situation, some sort of realization or reality for the normal person. So today we want to go through this article here that comes from the cryptobasic.com, where they suggest that XRP could hit $1 million if one XRP drop equals one RLUSD. So let's talk about this. Let's have a discussion. Let's see where my head is on this. I always like to bring in reality as well as understanding what can kind of push the boundaries of reality and expectation because I still do believe that there's a massive level and an unknown amount that we're going to get to depending on how this use is. But again, I want to see exactly where they're coming from with this. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out the link for Margex, there's a link down there where you guys can start trading up to a 50x leverage. I recommend starting at a 5 to 10x leverage, and you can utilize a small amount of money or a large amount of money, whatever you want to do, but make sure you understand what you are doing when it comes to leverage trading. Also, if you want to check out my link for Trade Assist down there, feel free to check that out. It's a platform to where, well, technically it's an indicator to where you can get sell zones, buy zones, bearish momentum, bullish momentum, and understand the short-term swing trades, the long-term trades that you make, the dollar cost averaging in. You can get great levels, great places to buy into that play that you want to find a buy-in point, right? So it can find a way to easily get you the information that you need. So feel free to check out that link down below for that. Now, again, I want to preface this video by saying that I'm not saying it will 100% get to $1 million. However, there's always still a chance because I know I was one of those people that kind of counted out Bitcoin, and I know Bitcoin's not at these levels yet, but I counted out Bitcoin and said, I don't know about cryptocurrency. I don't really know about it at all. And for many years, I cut it off saying, look, it's too volatile for me. I don't understand the market. I don't want to understand it when I should have been taking the time to understand it a little bit more. And if I would have, I would have been invested at $2,000 for Bitcoin rather than trying to make moves into altcoins instead of Bitcoin because you kind of missed the largest growth that you could have with that. Now, let's go into look at XRP really quick, and then we'll go into that article. XRP currently stands at 58 cents. It's up slightly by 0.2%, so it can go either way. $33 billion market cap with about $1 billion worth of volume. You are seeing 56.43% of the supply that is out there. Over the last year, it's only up by 15%. In all history, it's up by about 10,000% from this low level of 58% of a penny. I would have absolutely adored to get into XRP at these levels. But again, I wasn't heavy on cryptocurrency. I became heavy on cryptocurrency somewhere around 2020 and 2021-ish, those areas. So I had a little bit, but I had started investing heavily around that time, mainly around a lot of other people's time as well. I just started to research it a little bit more. But anyways, we're not here for that. What we're here for is this. Speculation suggests XRP could hit $1 million if one XRP drop equals one RLUSD. So these speculations emerged on the back of an attempt at satire by VET or VET and spoke out the validator on the XRP ledger, XRPL, with Ripple confirming that the RLUSD stablecoin only weeks from launching. VT or VET recently took to social media to um, humorously suggest that its value equaling $1 would be a big development. Being pegged to a dollar, the RLUSD is expected to be worth $1 at all times. VET's sarcastic commentary was a satire depicting the manner in which some influencers in the community discuss ordinary developments with tags as explosive news. XRP's 1 million drops. Um, Interestingly, Crypto Tank, an XRP community member and self-acclaimed researcher, jumped on this commentary to propagate theories of a possible XRP price surge. Notably, XRP as a token is divided into smaller units called drops, much like Bitcoin has Satoshis. Um, so you see that there. Each XRP token consists of 1 million drops. Before now, some areas of the XRP ledger calculated XRP fees in units. However, an amendment from last year's completely changed this fee structure to drops, essentially allowing all areas of fees to be calculated in drops of XRP for easier calculations. Besides calculating the fee structure on XRPL, the XRP drop units rarely make it to everyday discussions. This is largely due to XRP's low price, which remains below a dollar. As XRP currently trades for 58 cents, almost 59 cents. For context, the last time XRP saw the $1 mark was November 2021. CryptoTank believes when XRP's price reaches greater heights, possibly surpassing a dollar, market participants would see a need to start calculating XRP in units of drops. One XRP drop equaling one RLUSD. He then speculated that if in the future one drop of XRP equals the value of one RLUSD, then what would translate to XRP price of $1 million, seeing as there are 1 million drops in one XRP. While CryptoTank suggests that this is 100% possible, the speculation remains audacious. Um, in this subsequent comment, the community figure doubled down on his speculation. He agreed that RLUSD will always be $1, but argued that XRP's price could be much higher in the future, according to him. When XRP's price becomes too high, most market participants will resort to moving drops instead of one whole XRP. It bears to mention that XRP's head, healthcare's XRP healthcare's head of social adoption, Edward Farina, made similar assertions back in March. However, Farina never projected possible $1 million price for XRP. Instead, the Alpha Lions Academy CEO suggested that XRP could become an unaffordable or become so unaffordable in the future that traders would have to resort to moving it in drops. This is interesting, right? Because you see previous comments to where that could be the case, where it's so unaffordable that they need to move it in drops. I don't necessarily think that $1 million is really that idea that we should put out there. However, it is out here, and we've seen many cases. I wanted to go to the article, not just bits and pieces of different things, which all bring it together usually, and it's very interesting, right? I'm not fully, like, I can't say I'm fully 100% following how we can get there to $1 million. I understand if one drop equals $1, then essentially, once, XRP's price does reach to a certain level, we're also looking at trading it in drops, which would mean that we're trading it by $1 million per XRP if there's 1 million drops within there. So it's definitely interesting. I can't say that I'm fully getting behind it, but it's always going to call for a great thumbnail as well as a great title. But it doesn't mean that it's 100% true, right? I'm still leaning on the side. If these things do happen, and I do believe that it could be so unaffordable that you will have to resort to trading in drops, but does that mean that it's $1 million or does that mean that it's like 30,000, right? Even though 30,000 is still a ridiculous price tag, I'm still looking at the lower end of things while still holding 10,000 coins over there for whatever could be the long term, whatever could be the distant future for XRP. So I'm very interested in the outcome of this. I'm very interested to hear what you guys have to say, whether you're an XRP enthusiast, investor, or whether you hate XRP's guts. I want to know what you guys think about that. Does it make sense to you, or are you still clinging on to the fact that you want to see a $5 XRP? You want to see a $10 XRP, a $100 XRP. Let's baby step our way first before we go, oh, we're at 58 cents. Well, we could see $1 million. Like, that's kind of absolutely crazy. But it's not saying that there's still not a 0.001% chance of that happening, or if you want to give it a little bit more strength, a 1% chance of that happening. It's not saying that there's not. It's not saying that it's absolutely impossible. It's saying you're looking at the kind of near impossible that could happen. I'm for XRP. I have like $52,000 invested in XRP. Like, I believe in XRP, and I would believe in it again and again and again. But let's slow it down just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's what I'll say here. So guys, if you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. Check out that link for Margex as well as the link for Trade Assist if you guys are interested in that. And don't forget about Patreon and Twitter and all of those things there. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.